There is a Samshan Bhumi as well, which I'm gonna try to show. This is so scary, man. और हमें नीचे जाना है. Jory आ रही है और Pori हो रही है. Swag. Ranjit got us to a pooping place. Seriously? People poop over here.
You said I'm going to stay here for 3 days.
3 days. But हम लोग बना रहे हैं चूल्हे पे. Good morning, you guys. Abhi you are gonna see all the like wild ranty side of everybody. Look at my dad. Look at him, like he's having a stick in his hand. Oh no! Mom, Kaki, Kaka, Dad. Funniest thing is nobody has sports shoes. हम सब चप्पलों में आए हैं, चप्पलों में. Only Dad has sports shoes. He's all geared up. हाँ, she is also having भक्ति दीदी और मैं स्लीपर्स में कर रहे ट्रैकिंग. मजा is gonna come. साइली. I have never shown you guys this side of my natives, and we used to go here like quite often, but बारिश में you know काफ़ी scary हो जाता है, like slippery हो जाता है, so nobody comes here. इसलिए विसर्जन ऊपर वाली जगह पे होता है जहाँ पे I've taken you guys. गणपति vlogs में देख लेना. But this is a really scary but adventurous place. There is a Samshan Bhumi as well, which I'm gonna try to show. And वहाँ से we are gonna trek. We are gonna pass the Samshan Bhumi and gonna start the trek. And it's very steep. Let's go. Guys, look at this. How scary is this? Oh my god. Like if you fall from here, you fall. Coming. I know. There are no proper stairs also. Look how deep. वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे tigers are also there, just by the way. That is the Samshan Bhumi. We are gonna pass that. मेरे लग पड़े हैं literally. Like I am literally falling every step पे. Just wow. Nice. Kaka, don't get pissed at me यार. येती मी हळूहळू चालती है. Can you hear the noise? वहाँ पे पानी है. Can you hear? वो देखना वहाँ पे क्या स्कैरी है, कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. यहाँ से गिर गए तो मिलेंगे ही नहीं. बारिश में इट्स वेरी स्कैरी. दिस इज सो स्कैरी मैन. और हमें नीचे जाना है ये माउंटेन के. यस. स्टार्ट वॉकिंग. Guys, it's beautiful yaar. It's like 40 minutes in the trek and look at the mountains, look at the sun. Beautiful. मैं सबसे पीछे चल रहा हूँ because of these. मैं अकेला ही येड़ा इंसान होगा who's trekking in heels. I didn't know यार to get sports shoes. सब लोग मुझे भी गालियाँ मार रहे हैं. मैं एकदम थक गया हूँ सबकी गालियाँ सुन के. Kaka बेचारा is waiting for me. Coming. We have company, you guys. We have company. Ansi, can you turn now? How does it feel? Not nice? अभी तो easy part है, जो difficult part था वो हो गया, इसलिए I did not vlog from my camera. Yeah. फट गई थी. Take this mountain. Look how beautiful. No, from here, नीचे से आ. कैन यू गाइज सी दैट माउंटेन? हम लोग वो उतर के नीचे आए हैं. लाइक व्हाट? कमिंग. अरे बाबा चलो. क्या कर रहे तुम? दिस एंटायर थिंग, यहाँ पे खेती करते थे. ये हमारी ज़मीन है. My dad is saying that tree, can you see this spot, exact spot? They used to sit there रात को and look at the खेती and everything. ये देखो, my kaka is already up on the tree. Kaka is one fun इंसान in my family. Look at him, look at him. ये देखो, क्या कर रहा है? हे भगवान, बचा ले, बचा ले. पानी चाहिए, पानी.
मैं सुबह से कुछ खाया भी नहीं है.
अभी हम जा रहे हैं नदी ढूंढने. नदी ढूंढ नहीं, मिल गई. कैन यू सी? पापाज ओवर देयर एंड वी आर गोना सिट देयर एंड ईट. यस.
मैं सिर्फ चल रही हूँ, मैं फोन में देख नहीं रही हूँ. अगर तू आ रही है तो वेल एंड गुड. आ रही है, आ रही है. Oh my God, what a scene, man! बोल रही हूँ उधर से आओ, तुम लोग को तो सुन नहीं रहे हैं.
मेरा चड्डी गीला हो गया.
Oh my God, what a scene, man! बोल रही हूँ उधर से आओ, तुम लोग को तो सुन नहीं रहे हैं.
मेरा चड्डी गीला हो गया.
ले ले. चल के आना वसूल है पूरा.
कौन सी गोप्रो होना चाहिए था अभी तेरे पास? मजा आती थी.
पैसा नहीं है अभी मेरे पास कुछ भी पैसा नहीं है.
नेक्स्ट ईयर. ओके, अ क्विक चैट बिकॉज यू गाइज मस्ट बी वंडरिंग कि रंजीत एंड स्नेहलताई एंड शेवी कहाँ हैं, ट्रैक पे क्यों नहीं दिख रहे. बिकॉज शेवी काइंड ऑफ फेल सिक द प्रीवियस नाइट, सो ताई डिसाइडेड दैट यू नो दे शुडंट कम, सो 3 of them stayed back home and I did not vlog my way back home because वही सेम होने वाला था. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, हम पानी से निकलने के बाद वी वर सो लाइक टायर्ड एंड आवर बॉडी वॉज सो हैवी दैट वी डिसाइडेड कि चलो शांति से ट्रैक करते ऊपर वापस. ओके, दैट इज इट. आई एम गोना लेट यू गाइज go get back to the vlog and you're gonna love the next clip. It's like the ASMR max. Just earphones का आवाज बढ़ा लो and enjoy करो. Bye. It's time to go back home.
Sad, very sad.
2 hours later.
We have like proper modern kitchen. We have gas and everything, but चूल्हे पे जो चिकन बनता है उसका मजा, वाव वाव वाव. But हम लोग बना रहे हैं चूल्हे पे चिकन, courtesy of chef Ranjit Hadsekar.
Thank you. You want to see how it looks?
Yes, I want to. If you can. चूल्हे पे चिकन. Yum.
I am the helper, please.
Yeah, Snehal Tai helped.
I'm the helper.
I think so.
Yes.
Kind of.
Yes, I did. Very much. You can ask the chef.
Yes.
शैवी कुठे आहे? Oh, you are here. What are you doing, Shaivi?
He's doing gardening.
Gardening.
You are gardening.
She's putting it in the bottle. He full of it. Aboli
Shaivi, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Do you want to go to Mumbai or not? Or do you want to stay here? Do you want to go back?
I'm gonna tell mommy to stay here with me.
You're gonna tell mommy to stay here with you? Yeah. You can stay with Ajju, no? You can stay with Ajju. Stay with Ajju.
No.
We will go back home.
Nah.
For how many days you want to stay here?
You said I'm going to stay here for 3 days.
3 days.
First, you said that we are going to stay for
So today
2
is the second day, tomorrow is the third day.
No.
So we are going back home tomorrow. क्यों झगड़ रहे हैं भाई?
Sorry.
Now we are going to some spot which Ranjit has found. I hope कि जो बोल रहा है वो सच है, वरना पचका हो जाएगा. Apparently he's saying some seashore thing that he's found. I don't know what that is. But everybody is tired. Look at Bhakti's face. हमें अच्छी नींद आई यहाँ काफी, like, but my legs and my feet are like hurting. Are you alive still?
अरे
Jory पीछे से आ रही है, हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं because the parking is quite narrow. Jory आ रही है और Pori हो रही है.
swag से करेंगे.
सबका स्वागत.
Hey, Gadla.
A few moments later.
We have lost the way. Ranjit doesn't remember anything. Shavi, what is this? Where is the spot?
Shavi, you had also come in the morning.
Where is the spot? How come you don't remember, baby?
How was it?
बघायचंय पाणी आहे तिथे.
इथून दिसते ना आपण.
तिथे एक चांगला स्पॉट आहे पुढे. पुढे चल, तिथून चल.
रस्ता जात नाही तिकडे. आम्ही चाला गेलो होतो ना, मग बघते आपण एकदा. तू तिथं बघते एकदा.
यहाँ पे दूर दूर तक कोई भी नहीं है. That's why we are not wearing a mask. Just by the way, like there is nobody around us. What Ranjit is talking about. So we are going there. Nobody's gonna go in this water.
No, Dad is going. I'm going to go because he's my dad.
This realization that she loves her dad.
पकड जरा.
काय आहे?
Ranjit got us to a pooping place.
Seriously?
People poop over here. Nice, good job.
Thank you.
Compare that to foreign.
No, this is not the place. Definitely. where I am.
This is the place.
No, this is not the place where I was. staying.
चला आता प्लेन उडाली.
We go there.
बघ ना.
कोणाला शी आलं तर करून घ्या. शी करायची कोणाला आरामात नदीमध्ये बसून.
Anybody wants to poop?
You can just go and fart at least.
त्याला बसायचं का?
The damn spot.
Yes. And we have our land also there.
Okay.
More than 5 acres.
Okay. देख लाइट बहुत अच्छी है, सनलाइट एंड ऑल, बट जगह बहुत ही एकदम बास वाली थी. Okay, a quick break for information because a lot of people said that they have never been to their native places, they don't have their native places, and I really feel bad for you, but don't worry, you can come to my native place via vlogs. So basically this holy festival is called Shimga in native language, and the palki that you guys are seeing every now and then, that is basically having our god जो हम मानते हैं, and every time it passes our house we do the puja, and जब रात को जब होली जलती है उसके पहले वापस वो आएगी, and then we'll do the puja, and then we'll go and see the होली जलते हुए and all. You guys are gonna see that in the vlog. And the next day the भगवान comes home, and it comes home to our house first, like हमारा घर first होता है. It comes home, the palki comes home, and people who want to, you know, do some मन्नतें, वो लोग वहाँ पे आते हैं, मन्नत करते हैं, या फिर जिनकी मन्नतें कंप्लीट हो गई होती है, उन्होंने कुछ बोला होगा भगवान को तो वो उनको चढ़ाते हैं वहाँ पे, वो सब होता है. And that's why you can see all these people screaming, like अगर आपको लग रहा है क्या चल रहा है, तो they are basically chanting. And also you must have seen that people were not wearing masks over there, like the native place के लोग. Basically वहाँ पे कोई cases नहीं है, it's a green zone, but you must have seen we were wearing masks every time we were around people, because you know that's the best way to protect yourself and others around you. So yeah, that's one thing I wanted to clear.
The next day.
I love this smell. मिट्टी का स्मेल. मिट्टी का मेरे को आ ही नहीं रहा.
ऑलरेडी वेट.
थोड़ा जोरा थोड़ा. ब्रेड बटर सांगितले 4 आणि 5 साधे पाव सांगितले. पाव खाणार आहे.
Like, but you have to hold it very, very, not like this, away from your face. Like this. You can see yourself.
We are doing a photo. The photo is here with that photo we are doing. That photo is here. Actually, with that photo we are doing here. Na. Avi hoti jam jo gulub dharu vasto. Biti kasi thin udya tutla vasto. Matro.
500 meters वर left.
matro आपला पुलता विचार आला नाही. मी आहे शूट माझी आई तशी नाही. ना.
Okay guys, don't mind the pasara behind me. I was shooting, but that is it for today's video. I hope you found this video a little entertaining and brought a smile on your face. Also, the whole motive of this video was for you guys to just chill and relax from this hectic city life, and you know, we have so many negative things running in our heads. I just hope that you guys you know, were at peace while watching this vlog. And I do not keep any filter when I, you know, vlog. I did not worry about what my dad was wearing, what I was wearing, if you know, my clothes were not up to date and not very fancy. I was not wearing makeup throughout this trip. Just raw and unfiltered vlog for you guys, and that's how vlogs should be. If you have watched till here, that means you have definitely liked this video. So thumbs up kar lo yaar, and subscribe bhi kar lo, it's free. And share this video with your friends so that you know, we grow this family. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.
Macarena, hey, Macarena, 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 hey, put the chopper on the nigga.